basically custom. Custom means that 1080, or which size is available we can use 1080. But while creating posters, while teaching the posters, I'll explain you in detail. But each and every poster you are posting in LinkedIn or Instagram, the size is 1080. 1080. But while you place some images or anything to trace here, at that case, if the image, the sample image is very big means, then you can adjust the artboard size. If you want to adjust the artboard size, means this is the artboard tool. You can click once here. After that, if you hold the shift and if you drag means, it will be coming like a equal size. Equal size will be coming. Then, if you want to place the new means, then place. I'm going to place the burger image. I'll be sharing this image in Google chat also. I'm holding the shift and I'm just dragging. Shift and dragging. And this will be coming. Yeah, for the purpose they are asking. After placing this image, this sample image, what we are doing, we are going to trace this. We are going to trace this. If you see means, it's not embed, unembed is. It's mentioned as unembed. Unembed means already it's processed. Now you can use it directly. So what we are going to do, we are going to open the layers panel. Layers panel, we open the layers panel. And this first layer we are going to lock it. Lock it and new layer, we are going to create a new layer. Yeah. After that, what we should do, we should be tracing here. We are just closing this panel, zooming in. After that, you see means, as I told, while tracing using the pen tool. After choosing the tool itself, we should disable the fill color. Disable the fill color and the stroke color is there. Stroke color, any color, red or black, any color we can give. Any color we can give. You can zoom in. Now initially guys, we should complete this white part. This white part we should complete. After completing this white part, this inner part we should do. After completing this part, then only we should complete this orange, green, yellow, everything like this. So to complete this white part, we selected the pen tool. Initially we are keeping a point here. Initially we kept a point here. After that, we are keeping a point here. Now because I want to bend like this I want to bend. So I'm keeping a point here and I'm pulling down like this means a bend is created like this. A bend is created like this. Now again another circle, another curve is coming. If this curve suits me means I can keep, but if I keep like this and if I drag means it does not come correct. So what I can do, I can complete it here. I can lock it here. After that, I should keep a point here and I should drag like this. I should drag like this. After that, I should close this point. This anchor point I'm closing. Because if I didn't close means again another curve is coming. With the same curve I can process. So I am closing in this anchor point. After that I'm keeping a point here. I'm closing like this. Like that I should do for each and everything I should do like this. Closing. After that now I should close with the same curve I can't work. So I'm closing the anchor point. If I should verify whether if I keep a point here and if I drag means it's coming correct or not. Now if I keep a point here, little bit I'm zooming out. If I keep a point here and if I bend like this means it does not come correct. It does not come correct. So control is it. Again I'm coming like this. I'm keeping a point little bit near. Here I'm keeping a point and then bending like this. Bending like this means it comes like this. Now by default another curve is created. Now what happens is, so the same curve itself I can utilize. If I take another curve means this point will become sharp. So what I can do, I can verify whether I can keep a point here or here. I can keep and check. This if I keep means it's coming correct means okay, we can leave it here itself like that. No need to keep like more accurate. If you are working in this orange color part means you should keep like more accurate. Currently we are working on this outline only. So we can increase or reduce the stroke thickness. Put a point here. Now I'm closing this anchor point. After that, I can keep a point here. After the same point itself, I can keep a point here. I should close this. You can keep and check each and every point. Like where the point suits more, like that you can keep. But while closing, you should come to the base anchor point and you should close it like this. Should close it like this. You see, means sometimes if there are like some misplaced lines, means either control is that I can control is that few point here. I should close here only, close here, and keep a point here, and I can close this. I can close this. After closing, selection tool. Now if you see means guys, this outer portion is done. This outer white portion is done. After that, the similar technique only, we should complete this portion, this gray portion is there, this dark gray portion. Similar to this white portion only, you should keep a point here, you should keep a point, and here you should keep a point, like that for each and everything. You should keep a point in this outline. For this white portion, what we did, we kept in the gap, that white part is there, in between the white part we keep. But for this part, this gray part, what you should do, you should keep in this line. This line is there. Now, I'll show you. I change the stroke color, or else it will not be visible. Blue color. After that, include. I'm keeping a base point here. I'm zooming in, keeping a base outline point here. If I keep a point here, means it will. If it suits, means I can keep a point here, and I can bring like this. You see, means we are keeping a point in this outline. It's outline only. After that, I am closing this point, anchor point, and I am keeping another point, and I am drawing like this. I can keep. Like this, I can keep for each and everything, and I can complete this wholly. Fully, I should complete and I should close. That is the thing. After completing that part, when you complete this white part, you should not give the fill color. When you complete this dark maroon part is there, na, in the line use, at the time also no need to give the fill color, just show color give. After that, what you should do, after completing that two outlines, this orange color part is there, this orange. You should complete this orange. After that, this inner part. After that, this green part, yellow, everything you should complete one by one. Now, we can assume that you completed this gray part, this dark maroon. When you come to the orange also, in the outline only you should keep. Now I kept a point here. Now if you want to mean, so you can keep a point here like that. Roughly I'm drawing. After that, the same line I can't take because it's not coming correct. So I'm closing the anchor. After that, I'm keeping a point here. In this case, if you keep a point here and if you bend means, sometimes it will be correct, sometimes the shape will not be coming correct. At the time, you can keep a point nearby. Now we are closing this. Like this we can do. I'm just drawing like a rough line and I'll draw. After completing, we are going to close this. When you close this green orange outline, after closing this orange outline, now also you should not give the fill color. Because if you give the fill color for this orange outline, this other parts, now what will be happening? It will be on. It will be looking as the shapes are on top. So initially we should give the fill color for the inner part only. Now first we should complete this white portion, this maroon, after this orange. After that, if you see means there are like two parts, this white and light orange is there. Now again we are going to include. After that, for this white and light orange, you should put a common outline, the same outline only you should put. Like roughly I'll be drawing. Like this if you draw means, while closing, if you keep like this and this here. closing this point. After closing this point, now after closing this point, now for both shapes we did a like a single outline. Now why we did single outline is if we did like a separate outline means it will be overlapping. It will be looking like a overlapping design. So to avoid that, what we did single outline. Now we should cut this part. We should make this part separate and this part separate. So now what we are going to do is again pen tool only. After completing this from outside, now the process is from outside we should draw a line. From outside this here we should draw a line intersecting this. Intersecting this we should draw a line. After that we should cut the extra line. I'll be showing you how from outside here. Now this you can make. Like this you can see. So sample I'm showing. Now outside till outside we kept. After that we should go to the selection tool. Selection tool, we went to selection tool. Now if you see means guys, now we need to delete the extra points, the extra line we need to delete. So what we should do, shape builder tool. Using the shape, before that we should go to selection tool. Individually you should select. You can select this outline first. After the shift you can hold and this inner line is selected. You can zoom in and verify whether both of the things are selected. After that what you can do, you can select the shape builder tool. Shape builder tool event. You can, if you just like that click on it means the point will be adding. So now we want to reduce that point. So alt, if you click and hold the alt means it will become like minus. After that now I am hovering here and clicking here means this extra point is. I'm zooming out. Now if you see means here is the extra point. So alt I'm holding, it's coming like minus. I'm coming to this extra line, clicking once, it vanishes. After that, what I can do, the shape builder tool only. Now I can click once here, I can click once, and here I can click once, separate. I should not draw a line. If I draw a line means both of them becomes the same shape like that. So I should click once here, after that I should click once here. Now this is separate, this is separate. Now you can check giving a color, separate color like that. So click this means you can separate this and separate this. This is separate, this is separate like that. After that you can give a color separately. Yeah. So after completing this design, this part, you should do this green color part. This green color square. Now for this using the pen tool, you should do the outline like that. This green color part. After that, this yellow color part we need to give. Yellow we need to give. For the yellow, it's coming like a separate design. Now for this yellow also, you should draw this outline. This outline basically you should draw. After that, there's a intersection like that it's coming. Now for this also same, after drawing a whole outline from outside you should draw a line. In this intersecting design you need to draw a line like this outside. From outside to inside like that you should draw. The extra points you need to delete them. But remember guys, after drawing this line, you see means there is another white patch is also there. At that case what you should do, after drawing this outer line, here from here also you need to draw a line. Okay, from here also you need to draw another line for this white patch. You draw a line means the extra lines. Here there will be extra lines, you can delete that. For this white patch also, from here there will be extra lines. You should delete that. And using the shape builder, you should not hold the alt, just like that. You should click once means everything will be separate. And for this red color part also the same. The same means initially this outline we do, and this we do as a same single shape like that. After that we need to draw a line like this, and we should cut that. Like that we should do. Like that we should do. But remember guys, after completing every outline, start if you are giving like a fill color, to give the fill color, start from here, from this white portion, orange portion, you give the fill color. After this, you give the orange. This green, just like that, you can give. But coming like for this yellow design, this light color white patch is there. Now, like white patch, you need to give the color first. After that, this color, this color, this color. Because directly, if you give the yellow, means the yellow is maximum, so that it will be fully covered with the yellow. That is the issue. The same thing for this red and orange, you can do like that. But the concept is same. Yeah. If you have any doubts, means you can ask please. If you have any doubts. Okay. But after completing everything, this orange, green, this everything, now, after completing everything, for this maroon color, you have given this outline we have drawn. You click this outline. For this outline, you should give the fill color. Instead of stroke will be given, we can give the fill color. Fill color means how will it be looking like? This is fully filled. This maroon is fully filled. Above this maroon color only, remaining shapes are there, like that it will be looking. Maroon you can give, after that you can give the fill color for the white. Yeah, that is the process. Because initially itself, if you give the fill color for the white, from outside if you give the fill color means you can't see the inner objects. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, last you can give. Yeah. Yeah. Initially, you need to give the stroke color for everything. No need to give the fill color. For everything, stroke color. After you complete everything, everything is perfect at that time. For a minute shapes are there. Now, you start with the minute shapes. Minute shapes you give the fill color. After that, you give the outer fill color. Like that. Yeah, like that you can do. For this white alone, how you can process this? For this white, between this center, you can give the outline. But for this maroon, starting from this maroon, you should give from the pixelated part. Yeah, very good. Yeah, from the pixelated part means on this line. This is the outer line. From the outer line. No need to give the background color. If you wish, means you can give a set background color and yeah. I'll be sharing this in Google chat. Then you can.